Hello students, welcome to Biologia and welcome to another class. So we are discussing about the biological classification. Already first class on basic two kingdom or five kingdom classification what are the name of those five kingdoms we have already discussed. So today we are going to discuss the first kingdom that is known as Monera. Okay, so let us begin with the class. Monera. This is the first kingdom of five kingdom classification which was given by R.H. Whittaker in the year 1969. So Monera, আমি যেটা chemistry পঢ়ো, mono means one, single, isn't it? So তেনেকে মনত ৰাখিম যে Monera means this includes the unicellular organisms, means যোনবোৰ organismsৰ single cell থাকিব সেইবোৰ organism Monera আহিব. Okay, so কিছুমান বহুত interesting means characters আছে Monera organisms বোৰৰ, like the Monera যিখিনি organisms আছে, they are the most ancient, means first সেইখিনি organisms এ আমাৰ আৰ্থত আহিছিলে, তাৰ পিছতহে লাহে লাহে কি হ'ল আমাৰ protista আহিলে, fungi, then plenty, then animalia. And students don't get confused, যেতিয়া আমি two kingdom classification পঢ়িছিলো তাৰ first plenty and animalia classify কৰিছিলে Aristotle, isn't it? But তাৰ মানে ইটো নহয় যে first plants ওলাইছিলে, তাৰ পিছত animals, তাৰ পিছত protista, then Monera and after that fungi. Not like that. Actually first আমাৰ আৰ্থত Monera আহিছিলে, তাৰ পিছত লাহে লাহে means protista ahile, fungi ahile, plenty, and then animalia. Okay, so these are some means basic things which you should know about this kingdom. First, we will write the characters of the kingdom Monera. General characters. So Monera includes only bacteria, means bacteria to a gute Monera kingdom to cover kore. Tar mane Monera only bacteria khini ahibo. You see, bacteria are the organisms which can be found everywhere. Means ami soil to pabo paru, water to pabo paru, air to pabo paru. Even most interesting is that our human body bhitor lots and lots of bacteria ase, hundreds and thousands of bacteria ase. Kisman bacteria amar karone useful and some are harmful. Okay, so first character we will write, it includes, means bacteria are the sole members of this kingdom. Okay, bacteria are the sole members of this kingdom. Of this kingdom, means kingdom Monera. So etu moi general characters ote likhi disu. Second, juntu moi ekdom class or beginning ote koisilu je mono means one. Okay, tar mane single cell hobo. So they are unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic means junburor ki hoy nuclear membrane nathake. Those organisms are known as prokaryotic organisms, and eukaryotic means which have the organisms which have nuclear membrane, isn't it? So we can write they includes, means the organisms under Monera will have unicellular, single cell. Yeah, one more thing, even in your books, you can table as a five kingdom classification. Hey, table at Kidia say Monera are the cellular. Unicellular and cellular means same thing. Okay, this one only cellular bully likhe, tar mane single cell. আৰু multicellular হলটো multicellular লিখে, but sometimes unicellular is written as only cellular. Don't get confused. So unicellular and prokaryotic organisms. Okay, prokaryotic organisms. Now, third character, they do not have nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic means which do not have nuclear membrane. And second one is that nuclear membrane to nathake, as well as they also do not have the membrane bound organelles. So membrane bound organelles means endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. These are some membrane bound organelles which could be only found in eukaryotic organisms. Okay, so let us write nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is absent and comma, we'll put comma here, and membrane bound organelles are also absent. No, let us modify this sentence. Okay, nuclear membrane, we'll put the comma here, and membrane bound organelles. Membrane bound organelles are absent. Okay, then fourth one. So if they have if they do not have nuclear membrane, that doesn't mean যে সিহঁতৰ nucleic acid নাথাকিব. So what are the nucleic acids? DNA, RNA, isn't it? Deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid. So DNA, RNA থাকে in bacteria also, but those nucleic acids or the DNA and RNA without histone proteins. So histone proteins যোনখিনি আমাৰ only eukaryotic organisms থাকে. Okay, so we can write nucleoid contains DNA or RNA but without histone proteins. So histone proteins we will find only in eukaryotic organisms. This point is very important. Okay, then number 5. Yes, now we'll see their mode of nutrition, whether they are autotrophic or heterotrophic. Actually, bacteria are the organisms which show the most diverse mode of nutrition. It means they also can show autotrophic mode of nutrition as well as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Tarupori, autotrophic oto ki hobo pare? Photoautotrophic and chemoautotrophic. So photoautotrophic means when they prepare food with the help of sunlight. Mane jetia sun to ultimate source of energy. Okay, so that is the photoautotrophic. Mane sunlight lagiboy. Then chemosynthetic. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria mane hol junbure chemicals or helper ki kore nijor food prepare koribo pare. Those are known as chemoautotrophic or chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. Same thing. Tar pisot heterotrophic. It is heterotrophic hole means the organisms which cannot prepare their own food, isn't it? Hetu meaning to ami sobe buzu. But heterotrophic mode ki hobo duta part thake. One is parasitic and second saprophytic. Hoyto completely dependent hobo pare. Parasitic means jetia host organism or upor dependent hoy. Okay, that is parasitic. Aru nije benefit loi pine jonto host hoy, host ki kore harm kore. Those are known as parasitic organism. সেইবোৰক parasites বুলি কয়. And second one is saprophytic. যেতিয়া organisms কিছুমান dead and decaying matter ওপৰত feed কৰে, those are known as saprophytic. So bacteria কি কৰে? They are also photoautotrophic, chemoautotrophic, parasitic as well as saprophytic. That is why bacteria which comes under Monera show the most diverse mode of nutrition. Juntu bahut important point hoy monot rakhibo karone. So let us write that. They show most diverse mode of nutrition. Diverse mode of nutrition. Even you will find this in your book also. So table dia ase tomolokor tat gute gitare name dia ase. That is autotrophic, or we can write photoautotrophic, comma, chemosynthetic, okay, then they can be what? Parasitic and saprophytic. So this mode of nutrition bacteria can show. 6 point, number 6, the cell wall composition. Cell wall to kihere made up hoy. So the cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan. Okay, we know the plants or so the cell wall hoy planter, it is made up of cellulose, isn't it? So in bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. Number 7. So we know the DNA structure of us. Neither consider korisu, okay, the manner. So our DNA structure to ki hoy double stranded. Dual strand thake, isn't it? Double stranded, and as well as we have the structure is helical. A structure to ki boli koy helical structure and double stranded. So bacteria jotu DNA hoy that is circular, okay, not helical, circular, but it is double stranded. So we can write DNA is double stranded and circular. Okay. Number 7. You note this, then we will proceed to the next. So I am rubbing this, the name of the kingdom. Remaining characters kini. Number 7. Number 8. So to firstly discuss korisul that they can be found in everywhere. So most abundant organisms. Most abundant organisms and can be found in soil, air, water, found in soil, air and water, even in most extreme habitat in most harsh habitat মানে সবতে পোৱা যায় ব্যাকটেৰিয়া য'ত বেলেগ একো অৰ্গানিজম সাৰ্ভাইভ কৰিব নোৱাৰে তাত ব্যাকটেৰিয়া সাৰ্ভাইভ কৰি যায় এটসেট্ৰা বাকিখিনি লিখা নাই জাস্ট এটসেট্ৰা বুলি লিখি দিছো সো আই হোপ মই গোটেইখিনি কভাৰ কৰিছো জেনেৰেল ক্যাৰেক্টাৰছত no one thing is left reproduction yes mostly bacteria reproduce by asexual reproduction although sexual reproduction hoy but it is not a true sexual reproduction so meaning ki hoy true sexual reproduction or hetu ami next class o discuss korim but just etu jani thwa that they reproduce mainly by asexual reproduction sometimes by sexual reproduction which is not true okay true sexual reproduction no hoy so reproduce mainly by you can write like this reproduce mainly by asexual reproduction yes so these are the general characteristics of kingdom Monera which includes bacteria okay now we will see the shapes of bacteria okay so let us write shapes of bacteria shapes of bacteria ki shape for bacteria first one is cocci isn't it cocci or cocci in whatever way you would like to pronounce that cocci junto bookot dia ase cocci boli actually that is the plural so ami jodi singular likho then we can write as coccus first one is cocci the shape of the coccus bacteria is spherical so spherical coccus here I am writing the singular one coccus spherical coccus so shape 2 whole spherical okay second one is bacillus or we can write bacilli in plural bacillus is rod shaped bacillus okay and third one is comma shaped vibrium or vibrio plural hole vibrio and we can write comma shaped vibrium and fourth one is spirilla or spirillum the shape of spirillum is spiral spirillum so these are the 4 categories and based on their shapes bacteria are divided into these 4 categories okay in spirilla and vibrium you may find flagella spirilla ki hoy flagella to it is present at the apex so we can simply write flagellated okay although about vibrium comma shaped vibrium although it is not given in your book that it is flagellated but sometimes some comma shaped vibria are also flagellated so we can write like this flagellated some vibria not all so flagellated means they are motile whenever because flagella is ultimately a locomotory organ isn't it so they can move from one place to another place that is vibria and spirilla are motile so this is about today's video in the next class we will discuss the 2 classes of bacteria that is archaebacteria and eubacteria I hope you have understood so we'll meet in the next class Till then, happy learning. Thank you.